Welcome back to Magan. This is a local AI on a private USB drive. Just make sure you have a compatible Windows PC system to run it. We're going to demonstrate how personas work and how you can make your own in this video. First, it's important to understand that a persona is a character you create to define how you interact and communicate with it. It includes aspects like personality traits, the tone of voice, and even preferences for using emojis or expressing feelings. This character helps shape how you engage with it, making the interactions more consistent and aligned with the desired style. So when you load up, it will often open with the default AI, which is this one right here. And we have other personas, such as a business coach. We have a documents persona. This is best used when you are referencing any documents you've uploaded in the Files tab. We always recommend when switching personas to just start a new chat with them. But you can indeed switch personas inside a chat. You just can't speak to both of them at the same time. And you know, it's AI. You might give it multiple personality disorder. But for now, we're just going to show you how to make your own persona. And that starts here just by typing in your query. I'm currently asking Megan to build a character who is obsessed with pancakes. See how that goes. So there's a pause here, and that tells me I did not preload the model. That's just fine. It'll load for you if you don't do that. It will, however, load at your predefined settings. My predefined settings are a little less GPU and more context. I didn't really need it, but it does slow down the results. Nevertheless, they're coming across just fine. We'll just go ahead and copy and paste those as soon as they're finished. So now I'm copying this piece of code, and I am going to open up a notepad file. This will allow me to simply paste the information here. And then the important part is to save as. You want to save this as a JSON file. You got to name it first. That's going to be pancakepete.json. Sometimes I like to add _persona.json. Anyway, save it as all files. That way it saves the extension of UTF-8. And then all we need to do is make sure that file gets dropped in the persona folder. Now here I am asking Megan to continue this by describing this character to me as if it were a real person. And as you can see, Megan can get pretty descriptive. And the same thing applies. We are going to copy this information, but this time we are going to paste it into the Images tab. We're going to create an image for it. So go ahead and paste. I'm going to keep all the settings the same, except I'm going to make it a little smaller than 1024. Don't need that much, and we'll just let it run. So once we have our image, what we're going to do is go to our images folder on our Magan drive. That's where the images are stored. I'm going to copy this image, and I am going to paste it into the Personas folder. This is pretty easy. All you got to do is go to your persona file, and you can copy the name there. Go back to the image and paste the name. Make sure the names are exactly the same. The only thing different is the extension. Now with both files in the persona folder, you can go back into the chat, and you can refresh it, and you can find your new persona there. We'll go ahead and strike up a new chat with this persona and see what he has to say. You can create all types of characters in Magan if you want. It's a playground in itself. With Pancake Pete here, I think I'm going to just ask him some questions related to his personality and see what comes up. As expected. And just for fun, I might even ask him for a recipe. Let's see how that goes. And let's see, even though Pete will certainly spit out a recipe, with anything, especially in work, always double check your answers when you work with AI, whether they're online or using Magan. But just for kicks, I might actually try this recipe out.